friends, welcome back to Aagyaa and Drishyaa channel. So today's video is title is packing up for parents night. So I have parents night at November 14th, and then today is 12th November. And then my teacher said to bring the items tomorrow, so I'm going to pack my items. So this is the bag. Why is it so dirty? Okay, leave it, nothing will happen. So first I'm going to put I will take out from my bag because I put, so I'm going to put it again. Nothing will happen. So these are my safety pins to bring to school, and then these two black rubber bands, I'm going to put it in my bag. Okay, now this pins, U-pin, these are called U-pin, or other things also, I don't know. I call it U-pin because my teacher also say U-pin, so I'm going to also say U-pin. So I'm going to put it in my bag, and here is this chura, this color pink. I'm going to put it in my bag, and another also red one. Look, I'm going to put it inside my bag. Now this is do you know this? Or you don't know? I think so, you know. This is bun band. We make bun, no, and we put the band, no, that is it. And then I'm going to put it inside my bag. And this is a bun cap. We wear that bun band, no, and then our bun will be ready. And at top of it, we wear this cap. We have to take out it and wear it. So I'm going to put it inside. So everything is ready. So tomorrow, November 14th, I'm going to make a video of being ready for parents night, doing the hairstyles, and then after that I'm going to make part 3. I cannot make the video for some reason. That's why I'm going to make part 3 shorts. I'm not gonna make video. Okay, so for today it is this much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.